All right, in this video, I want to show you guys how to do a text emboss for your T9 truck assembly submission. This text emboss is similar to the T9 logo, but instead I want you to use your initials so that they're visible whenever you submit. So what we need to do is we need to open up the original file of the passenger section. I'm going to right click on the browser and I'm going to open up the passenger section. I'm going to go ahead and create a 2D sketch on the driver's side. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a text tool and draw a box for a text window. Now in here, we're just going to use the default Tahoma font. And I want you to specify the text height to 0.5, ½ inch. So type in your initials and hit OK. Now, as you see, the text is rotated, and we're going to have to rotate it back to get it to look decent here. So this text box, we can go ahead and resize it just to be the size that we want. We're going to use the under modify tools. We're going to use the rotate. We'll select what we want to rotate, and the angle will rotate it at 90 degrees. Select the center point and hit apply. Okay, hit done. And then after that, what we could do is we could drag it around, click and drag it around, and put it in a spot that looks good here. All right, so I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, and then I am going to do an emboss. So we did this with the T9 logo. The profile we need to select, and then the depth, we're going to specify the depth to be 0.03. Okay, hit OK. And you'll see the emboss get extruded out. So it's hard to see it actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint the surface. We're going to paint the surface black. So go ahead and select the face and go up here and choose the color for the face. Select this face, choose the color here. I'm going to choose black. And that's all there is to it. That's what I want you to do. So what we could do now is we can go ahead and save this and then go back to your assembly. And it should have updated in your assembly. So whenever you take your screenshot, I want to be able to see your initials embossed in the passenger section.